Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Rockford, local and long-distance movers near me. Many people dread long-distance moves because they have to wait for the delivery of their items. After the long wait, their items are sometimes not returned in good condition. This long wait and item damage can be frustrating, but you can avoid it easily. We offer long-distance moves, and our services are timely and will also deliver all your items in excellent condition. Our fantastic insurance coverage is one of the perks of using our excellent moving services. We have skilled movers in Rockford, Illinois, who have carefully handled your items, and your belongings are effectively sorted and loaded into our moving trucks. Our drivers also have lots of experience, and they follow every highway rule and drive carefully. They make sure your items get to you in no time at all. A local move is a move within a state that is less than 100 miles. We are your best option if you're looking for cheap local movers near you. We have an open communication system that helps you reach out before, during, and after the move, and our services are fast and efficient. We are the go-to company for locals when they need quick moving assistance. Despite the high efficiency level of our local movers in Rockford, Illinois, our prices are very affordable. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rockford moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.